all on my lane, you all on my lane. You ain't overlooked, so get out the way. I gave you the book, I gave you the game. The boy gotta cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like you Nino. Plenty pitching, whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kick it, dip it, flipping, keep it hunting like a C-note. Switching, keep it pimping every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
What's going on, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Now today I got this immune boost tea. It's a ginger, lemon, and turmeric tea, and it's going to be awesome for this time of year especially. So if you're dealing with any kind of flu symptoms, cold symptoms, or even COVID symptoms, this tea will give you a good immune boost. So the first thing you're going to do is you want to peel your ginger, and it's easy to peel your ginger with a spoon rather than a peeler or a knife. You just get the best bang for your buck peeling it with a spoon. Less loss when it comes to waste. And then you want to cut these pieces of ginger up. You want to cut them up not small, but you want to get some good surface area because you want these to extract in that tea. So you want to cut them up fairly decent. Then you want to roll your lemon out just to loosen up that juice. Cut the edge off, and we're going to cut a couple medallions, and that's going to be what we're going to actually put inside of our tea. And then we're going to trim the flesh. Trim the skin off of the flesh, and this is going to be what's going to actually go inside the tea. And the reason I'm doing it this way because I want to take that zest as well as that pith off, because I want straight fruit flavor. I don't want it to be bitter or taste oily from the zest or the pith. So I want to have strictly lemon juice and lemon segments. So then we're going to get our pot ready. And we're going to go ahead and put our strainer in the inside. And it's almost like a French press. That's the kind of deal with this pot here. And I'm going to throw in my ginger first. And then you're going to see me going with those lemon segments that we made. The ones that have no peel. So make sure you use those. We're going to throw those in. And then we're going to go in with a good splash of turmeric. Or a good dusting of turmeric. Let's say dusting because it's dust. We're going to put that in there, and then we're going to get our water ready. Now, if you don't know about ginger helps with blood clots, joint pain, and it also helps promote weight loss. Same with lemon. Lemon have great vitamin C and promote weight loss as well. And then the turmeric is awesome for the skin. It's rich in antioxidants, so drinking this turmeric in this delicious tea is going to be like eating a handful of those blueberries. So it's going to get us some good immune boost. So there you go. I'm putting the top on there like the French press. We're going to press it down because you want to extract all of those juices out of that ginger and out of that lemon. And you want to let it steep. I let mine steep for about an hour. It's still going to be fairly hot because I used extremely hot water. Then we're going to go down with our mug. And we're going to go in with our awesome tea. And if you want to sweeten it up, I'm sweetening mine up. I'm using some raw agave nectar, and that makes this drink 100% vegan. But if you weren't looking to make this drink 100% vegan, go in with a little honey and get those benefits as well. But I felt like the agave nectar just sweeten it up right where I wanted it, and it's awesome. So there you see me through my lemon medallion in there just to extract a little bit more of that lemon flavor out of here. And there you have it, the most wonderful, incredible drink, especially for this time of year. Thank you guys for checking it out. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm out.